In this video, we will focus on selecting the easiest products to sell on Spocket. The first step is to enter the product categories and choose the best filter, then click on Search. This will display products that are generally the easiest for sellers to reach customers with. These products usually have a low purchase price, but a high selling price, which ensures good profit margins while remaining easy to sell. For example, t-shirts are among the simplest and most accessible products for customers. Choosing items like these allows new dropshippers to maximize profitability while minimizing risk. By understanding which products perform best and attract the most buyers, you can build a successful dropshipping store with Spocket efficiently and confidently. Following these steps ensures a solid foundation for selecting products that are both popular and profitable, making the dropshipping process smoother for beginners. Spocket helps you build your dropshipping store in just 5 minutes with AI. Access high-quality products with super fast shipping from premium US and EU suppliers. Start your free 14-day trial at YB.Digital/drop and revolutionize your e-commerce success today.